Prostatic health challenges will hit men at some point in their lives, and over 50% of men over 50 will have an enlarged prostate. That's called benign prostatic hyperplasia. In this video, I will walk you through what BPH is, the conventional view, and my holistic view to give you an idea of how to slim your prostate. Anatomically, the prostate wraps around the urethra. An enlarged prostate will lead to a narrow urethra and frequently causes urination problems. So symptoms can range from difficult to start peeing, weak flow, start-stop peeing, dribbling, frequent urination to nocturnal anorexia, bladder not emptying completely, and acute and chronic urinary retention. So the conventional view of enlarged prostate is a result of increased proliferation of cells within the prostate, triggered by an increased level of DHT, dihydrotestosterone. DHT is synthesized from testosterone by 5-alpha reductase. In addition to enlarged prostate, DHT may also lead to baldness. So here's the first food for thought. Total testosterone in the plasma decreases as one ages. The incidence of clinical BPH increases as one ages though. So a decrease in testosterone with increased chances of BPH. Why is that? Keep that question in mind for now. And one thing we know, testosterone is not the challenge here, or else all teens will have problems. Another pathway is estradiol. Estradiol is a form of estrogen, also synthesized from testosterone. It can activate a type of estrogen receptor within the prostate, which stimulates cell proliferation. So the mainstream medication focuses on three aspects. One is relaxing the muscle relaxant, the alpha-adrenergic blocker, such as tauroxine. Tauroxine works by relaxing the muscles in your bladder and prostate to improve urine flow. Another type of muscle relaxant treating erectile dysfunction, sildenafil, has also been used. There's the 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, such as finasteride, which blocks the conversion of testosterone to 5-alpha DHT. And also the aromatase inhibitor that blocks the conversion from testosterone to estradiol. This is the least frequently used medication, I would say. So after going through the conventional view, let's broaden our understanding. Let's broaden our understanding on testosterone. Cholesterol is the main building block for a lot of hormones, including testosterone, pregnenolone, progesterone. At the same time, cholesterol is also the building block for cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that helps us come back to fight or flight situations. So when you are under stress, your body will focus on the fight-flight path, and which means that you spend less time in testosterone pathway. And even in the testosterone pathway, your body doesn't stop at DHT. DHT has metabolites, and these metabolites act on the GABA and serotonin receptors. GABA and serotonin are key neurotransmitters that bring relaxation and joy. Recent studies have shown that finasteride, the 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, can be cause of depression. And another side effect of finasteride is its effect on PSA. PSA is one of the biomarkers for prostate cancer. Finasteride masking the actual PSA levels, possibly delaying the detection of the prostatic cancer. Back to synthesis of testosterone. The synthesis of various hormones requires different nutrients or enzymes, like the 5-alpha reductase synthesizing DHT. Nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, vitamin C, E, B6, D, and K, folate, carnitine, all support the synthesis of testosterone. On the other hand, alcohol can reduce the production of testosterone. It can also stimulate the bladder muscle contracting. And talking about alcohol, beer can also influence prolactin, which is another hormone that's triggered by the HPG axis, the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, and prolactin can affect estrogen production. Caffeine stimulates bladder muscles, as well as trigger the antidiuretic hormone, ADH. And amino acids such as glycine and cysteine are important in sensitizing the bladder's muscle walls. This means they help to make your bladder to regulate the sensitivity, not being oversensitive and not being undersensitive. So these are some of the nutritional factors or dietary factors that contribute to the entire system. Another fact that we should be aware of is the level of estradiol and testosterone are not solely the responsibility of the sexual organs. The pituitary gland and the hypothalamus are involved continuously in modulating, meaning that if they detect these hormones levels become too high, they will stop the messengers to asking for more production, and if they sense it would be too low, it will also send messages to trigger production. So all in all, you can see that stress, sleep, lifestyle, diet all contribute here. And a nutrition deficient diet and a stressful lifestyle can add load to your prostatic health. Another factor here is the sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG. It's another hormone that takes part in this picture. SHBG increases as one's testosterone declines, both total and free. And xenoestrogens and xenobiotics present in personal care products such as cologne, fragrance, shampoo, shower gel, and BPA linings in cans, plastics, water bottles, and even pesticides and herbicides in food, these all affect the SHBG levels, ultimately affecting the testosterone and the estradiol levels. So this is a broader picture of how different hormones and the biochemical pathway that affect or impact the prostatic health. Apart from biochemical pathways, there's also the systemic circulation of testosterone that plays a key role here. So testosterone is involved in many body functions. It's not just asexual hormones. It gets used by different cardiovascular system, immune, and all those. And it gets circulated and diluted systemically via the renal and internal spermatic veins, the ISV. And as veins, the ISV has valves that push the testosterone up to enter into circulation. If you have seen people with varicose veins, you will know that it can no longer push upwards because of malfunctioning valves, leading to stagnation or blockage. Similarly, when the ISV valves are not functioning well, testosterone cannot get diluted and be pushed up and enter the systemic circulation. However, it has a back door. The body is beautifully designed. So the back door is a direct entry into the prostate. However, the back door means that the testosterone is not going to be diluted. So the highly concentrated testosterone will push the proliferation of cells way beyond the normal limit. This is discovered by Gett and Goran in 2008. Mind you that 12 years are considered very recent in the medical field. And there is also discovery about if the valves in ISV has been restored, BPH can be reversed. So now you have learned that BPH is more than just DHT nor testosterone. There are many factors, internal, external, hormonal, circulatory, contributing. To slim down the prostate, all these need to be addressed. We can't just take one or two substance and block it or enhance it to fool our body to do its work. Somehow it will show up as different side effects. For details on my view on slimming down the prostate, you can go to this URL or you can drop me a message. And if you like my videos, subscribe and click the bell to get notified of new videos. And thank you for watching.